for aha Ghana SMTVGH, message or like a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For say there is an ongoing conversation on social media and also say one nation builder no. NDC4 over the time have loved to be calling His Excellency John Dramani Mahama as a nation builder. They be a nation builder. But besides who say when you look at Ghana, your history about infrastructure more, which president and I say which government about between NPP and this year can we trace most of the big developmental projects are in infrastructure to? When you want to critically look at it, and I say what do we need a 200% share? This way will be our bias. We are biased, you like I say, a NDC. But who are we bias? We are constructive, we are neutral. They say, and they say, Ghana are neutral, be a new, but I find it's a neutral view. Why we are neutral? Ultimately, who said, Debbie, nation building need infrastructure, a NPP. Baby, ene omampeni ni juma efreno ayefreno Jubilee House. That very place actually was constructed by John Ajekunkufuor. I remember clearly said when NPP was building that Jubilee House for president, NDC forecast said they will not use that place, and in fact they will use that place as a poultry farm. President Kufuor also was not able to even spend one day in it. At a most you can come Volta region, the biggest nursing and midwifery school, the whole of West Africa, right here in Volta region, by Akufo-Addo, Pokwasi interchange, first 4-tier interchange, 4-tier interchange, or West Africa. All these things, always a NPP are buying. Now, by 2 days ago or so, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama echo Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. And now commission project B. Ghana's embassy in Ethiopia. Now, when he was commissioning the building, speech or deliver, he never made reference to Akufo-Addo. But you and I know, says our project 2020 after Corona and Sensemino, and Akufo-Addo echo Addis Ababa echo Kati Sword for that project. That project has taken 6 years, and net abewi year. Paid for by Akufo-Addo government. And here beside home, both our Omainemo and outside Omainemo projects are monumental projects are Ghana buying. Edi share senyinano from NPP. So how come do NDC4 want us to believe say some way somehow no ye kanu nation builder sa title no for John Dramani Mahama? It does not make any sense. It does not have any even factual basis to prove or to back that. Clearly, NPP. Let's go and listen to the conversation by Numa Movement TV. Aha, Ghana SMTVGH. Wait me boy. Now best no screen also person boy. Now support the show now. Kitre bien so. Okay. Naba na MTN naba dino so ho na waboaye mumu bi so ya mufa naba na ma frame me ya ofa naba na frame me directly sir we send me hi wa WhatsApp ebia na me wo lectures and I say ebia na me video recorded na o pese o contribute to the show utimi record the video of one now they send me on WhatsApp and I say utimi send me voice note mebo ama your listeners in subsequent shows for them to listen. Don't go anywhere. Hi Ghana SMTVG. Na chache maybe na be kan kire mo flightberry bia mechanism munyi sei. But the part na adwe say still focus.
And no offending be pan me kasa or say na ni agi because can no ko social media so na inse bi ba who NPP for say omo commenting. The bia na NPP elusi the social media fight. But after the flag bearership who say Diana, I feel NPP for the attack NPP for ethically. And one of the issues in the same. On say Nana Akufo-Addo, Sadan de meno di that's when some say unsuni. And say Nana Akufo-Addo is Usidama GR4 Ghana Revenue Authority Ewokanda. Usi dan we no ewi bibia we end this baba at forcing. Eja G on say GR4 we mo no ho kire on pa o.
Unya back and grab no
at force dimirika
akwatenem
na anopay Momienfa ebi a na obi hu dan no. Momienfa a video no enche Ghana for na the state broadcaster from the GBC and okotwa asa video we. Inti mpacho yenyi finance ministry for no a ato forcing akwakotena godon he said is here
say ko kusi dey da we
yes so dey be dey na manimu akuso
omusi foundation omututu foundation na ne ye wo
ti wa hu edan ti akufo ado any the real nation builder na me yi we me yi
kanda
obawie benafsin amawie akufo ado sima ayifo sima Ghana Revenue Authority for ewie ye na ato forcing ehun te na dan na efe any said is here no wo dimirika ena godon wakwa occupy edan no say
na wonim wo be kɔ no ena bibiye na dwen se
okotene mu
a ekopaka esi so mbe no makokɔ
we sisa
etendie na waka ne tentem se NPP for the sea
and you see statement say dan na nyen onye onu see
na NPP for the sea
so say NPP for the sea na omo purpose
of course
enti ya dent na mama de botaye nti MPP for see no anya adwuma no no
say GRA is and finance ministry na interestingly no say the race course we are at forcing e kan tentem say we there Nana Akufo dey see no Nana Akufo no so see ye bi e wo Addis Ababa
no intimate eno fa Addis Ababa eno so endro na mampani mahama ekoko bia no na de obi anu no enunyam penti 120 wantimi anka se Akufo ado ene kosi saa dan no na o se de ho be Ghana ambassador Ghana embassy na masan so de hwai mission Ghana mission wo EU na edan no feye
na nyanya me na dum ye ma ye wo so se na Akufo ado koye shortcut
ni na video ni nyina wo nyina wo media man
owi a ke kofu ko mewiem
owi a ye de no beto aso ti edan Nana Akufo ado esi ye no fe edema o my Ghana no eno nene ye de kire atifu nti ndura Ramahama wakwako bia no kese oninamu a eye ne fe godon mahu se dan na fe pa
okay so kwaku medie kakra metima aka ne se for the past
except cutting
shortcut
Nana Akufo ado shortcut yes
ede okotwa tube hu artistic
diplomat
you know yes
diplomacy de obo
o okay so
now just obo because podi a obo full name with your full title now abama now waku okay yeah that's obetima year free so o share for the past 20 years said the Accra esi asisa abeye fefefe no Nana Akufo ado aban any President Akufo aban ena aka bomo obetaka say the Accra IFN no omunkwa contribute about 80%.
Then come 80% here.
Okay.
President Akufo and President Akufo ado.
Yes.
80%.
80% of Accra's beauty. Share village you win. Airport City. Hotels airport city na. President Akufo you everything no. And the man who you facing. If you tete kwasi. Tete kwasi run about. Regardless of ABI issues obia wo ho kakase bia ke the fa say I'm talking about is aesthetic value. O hwa amaholo mo IFFF. Sheded President Akufo so be ye e say Nana Akufo ado so be ye. Bank event say Bank Square.
Okay.
Now the tallest building in Ghana.
Iti Eric Mpacho. Sa adan mienu so Nana Akufo ado ni see medical send home. Bank Square. The Bank Square.
Okay.
Iti fa Bank Square no to so we are now the law house and so they account na de adan a Nana Akufo ado e si na no ya
Yoko nyo is here
Yoko a new Yoko
yeah Yoko building no
da Yoko ankom ko buyin
oh na say
da ya no ye ya
ani ye dan da
be ani USP
OSP na make
OSP ni OSP people dey say ketwa and dey so
fayi ka ho
or the Bank of Ghana and na bon sen kan ya so ho no
na fayi ka ho
for law house no
I will be na fayi so ka ema no 40 interchange progress
Akufo ado
40 interchange if you no so ka ho enti kwaku sa wo hwemu a MPP aban ba sector to sector bia no MPP e magana ko nini na Kofi Basase adifu omaba no omudi jangu ne one single
we bank square ni nti ha na eye dan na Akufo-Addo esima Bank of Ghana
is a woman gold ball and this vote di atemo ho pa
always have a gold ball from office wo
high na
that be old Bank of Ghana
hono mo
ko na Sami Javiti
oh okay
nyame
de law house ni law house ni
fatiasi hwenefe at the law house ene
na unim ne wom law house na Akufo-Addo na osi abra no ya attorney general no
yes
NPP lose here for 8 good years and this by
Mills by
Mahama by one fan sanka ho ena omuji ato na Akufo-Addo ba yi ena wasan ababe law house as say here office of the attorney general
na ons baby si ben no ene yi ne ben high court yes ada mo penisi
Ayana.
Yeah, the Professor Mills in the sea.
High court complex.
Court complex. Yeah, the Professor Mills in the sea.
Yeah.
It's where they sell a wall. Almost say what the Attorney General, a free office will see ya. A walking distance. Now what cross no room. When a some say air quad Nasoja for saying how if you air next house Nasoja for the police would do it. All right, it's here. Yeah. Where legacy kakra na Akufo-Addo NPP
eja see
yeah
enema odi na Akufo ma me fa Jubilee House Jubilee House ni area view na me fe pa na wi a me fa Bank Square no awia se de tie awia nti ba cho fa wi fa Bank Square no awia na ye de kire mu kan ne ya anadwo na fa awia picture se de sitie ne bra na wi a wo de Jubilee House nso no godon e de aba otumu se NPP aban no eya ni omani abie na NPP fo ntimi nton ade o ma ye NPP fo ntimi nton ne mo ma ye hwadwo mahama eye secretary entertainment okoye ho billboard RCC srem
FM
BCC Nigeria
for ayifo nyina bai
for emom be promote ye o de fa Jubilee fa Bank Square no de ha eni Bank Square say ni tie awia pa say ne tie anadwo ne ye de kire mo no ene Ghana ha ye we need a dan a ewa pa the tallest building in Ghana na mienu ni nyina e Bank Square o ene ne wo ne sei ni nyina ho na ne Bank of Ghana ewo almost sad dan we no na ato force ni NDC for say mpre emomu sad dan we because Ghana for ho kire o Akufo-Addo sika $210 million ADC Bank Square into mpre
in fact
and ba ye dimirika
akwatinem in fact ora no ora sa ora abodam sam sika na mo se be kwa kwaje no sika na omuto Jubilee House so di President Kofo
Jubilee House so ni
President Kofo esa no
kama ene wo ho ene so mo kan so mo de be nkuku bu eno mba yi
omo se first omo se be ni ma e benzongo
adenti ni esi
be president na ye be benzongo
okay ene abuso mo de be port chief farm
ene de ho no mo tese
na chief fowl atim
ene kwa krel
achikoni ya bankwa onye ne ma amugum
kwaku yi Bank Square sa ora no sika mo so mbeji ba jo ha sika mo so mbeji ama o my Ghana no Bank Square over $270 million no ya no so ka hu
onye o mabobo dampa
eka hu
japade ya mo ma no
ai o mo so Bank Square kan so mbeji
mo yi ho se sika
na emma
udi o Ghana no
Omada pra, omada. Che. Alabaka samienko.
Nka file mu kinkom pa na kita omo de nam. But media kakra mekane se nka echi. Ya maame nom ne papa nom no omo de besua nyansa because na no man bi ba we so waboka 34 billion. Why na adwin so oto ni fie ne ne cars nyina omo to kokoo no nso o estimate kura na enuru baabia ndi ahye yi aduro kura na obenu maku ne ho so wa se wonu bedi tro se Cote d'Ivoire kokoo bua nso Cote d'Ivoire for afi the same price na na omo de ma omo antisu centipo mo sore bibia na mo de politics bibia na mo de politics koko adwuma aye bodam adwuma se wo hia bodani onam abonten a onam so onum sufi oni kuani a oye koko nyina difference bi ani omuntam wo start koko bedua wo bedo wo behye aju abodam sem nko na waye ni koko awie susu na say
one STD why you pruning what do you no by what do you ayi wa bodo ba wase na gina no koko adwuma
abodam adwuma bi ansensa adwuma no na obi atimi aye ni say adwuma ni nyina na wate ni koko na say o boa o pe na ade be ma na me ko boy bi platforms o se an IMF conditionality ni ntima na me so fa kawano tum na tama dabe na NDC fo mu hu se international ade market price affect bibi omuti fu so Europe ni America nyina omate so nsunsu mu ginsamba ne de mama hama se on na yewe meka ya wo se akufu ado de petrol ko 22 cities nti nkobes obetumi a subsidize na ade ntima we de koko na akofom no na mosi abanya wabo ye Jesus no ntumi subsidize na what so IMF conditional na me so moto wa mama mu yu nya mu yu na mu no su nya mu no na mu nka no kro mu wi ase amobae nti no de mama me de meka nche koko akuafo mu num so ntwen ope nyansani no ya de yie no mumani mini no ba adwenkase no de na adwene nkoni tim no enche oba ba beji Ghana kwadwo nyansani oba enche kra nti oba bibia beda din di dakra meka chiro mu nti omunum so ntwe ope medas
that pa mami alaba wanu hwam koko akuafo mami alaba se munum so ntwen ope na kwadwo nyansani ya Dr. Alhaji Bawomi eba na oba be ma bibia ye boko Sunday fire we 5 minutes na you my upon one on where they have the news of bread Sunday good evening last what mute no Sunday what how can say
Chame na make us
yo mpacho ka say tie wo koko akuafo
yo mommy me dasi enka ensemu wese pa denka wo hwe ne ma bi pa keni kwase etimi kasa fa ho nanso yakoye nipa ye ma menum nua bi anase ye nananum bi ewo sedi small ayino ede ye saa ne ma nanti na wo se kakakra ye papa no ne ye ma menum akuafo ye ka kire mu se nkofo ye azan eno mode bo mo bedede mu 65 no kura ko mo mfa mama no kura no de Nana Addo dikuduru ye no mo mfa nsama hwe ene within 1 year ya teso 1000 almost 1000 Ghana cedi every usika
almost 1001
every usika so show obi ono so ono do be ko 65 afedi ono se ono kasa NPP fo obo krono ne die ne ebon kra ne krono ebon kankan na aya na misu kamenya pa na nka Ghana koko no sede nkofo no hwe social media o mo se o mo si o mo ade no mo de aye local milu no senko mo beti obi abetimi aye ne de sa nka me fo o mo so se eni kwa senko mo ton odi ne de betwumaku no onfa bi twumaku na yenni ni sa because so obeye adwuma omo a me kofia me ko sra me na wofo